After finishing the initial project setup, as described in the Assets Guide, setting up a multiplayer scene is really fast. Let's start with an empty scene. First, we'll delete the main camera, since we won't be needing it. Then I'll just drop in this environment prefab to get our level ready. Next, let's open the QuickSceneSetup tool. Head over to the Tools menu, select PUN 2 Template for Meta Avatars, and then QuickSceneSetup. Once the window opens, simply click on Instantiate PUN 2 Setup for Meta Avatars. This automatically adds the main asset prefab to the scene, which takes care of the networking, avatar loading, locomotion, and interaction systems. Everything is now working. But as you can see, the teleportation laser doesn't detect any collisions yet. Let's fix that right now. Simply drag your ground objects into the Teleportable Surfaces section and press Apply. The tool will set up all the required components for you automatically. Now we can teleport across the floor without any trouble. However, the laser still passes through the walls, allowing us to teleport through them. To fix this, use the Non-Teleportable Surfaces section for any walls or props that should block the laser. This will add all the necessary components to prevent teleporting through these objects. That's all it takes. Your multiplayer VR scene is now interactive and ready for action. Get the VR Multiplayer PUN 2 template for Meta Avatars on the Asset Store today.